Here are the 3 dumbass affiliate marketing mistakes that I regret. Man, I can't even believe I did that shit. But by the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to promote your affiliate offers on prestigious sites, including social media. We talking about AdRoll, Facebook, Google, that normally ban affiliate marketers, and make the most out of every dollar that you spend on traffic. So if you wanna be ahead of 96% of other affiliate marketers out there, then watch this video to the end without distractions. Disclaimer, even though this works for affiliate marketing, this works even better if you have your own product. So let's get started. Okay, so before I go into my first dumb mistake that I made in affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell notification to get notified when I post weekly videos, all right? So with that being said, let's go on mistake number 1. So the first mistake that I made in affiliate marketing was promoting without a brand or purpose. So at first I was just advertising the raw affiliate link until I got my pages shut down, right? And ads banned. Then I found a way to like cloak the link, right? So that, you know, Facebook wouldn't stop my ads or Google wouldn't stop my ads or whatever like that, right? But since I was promoting the same landing page as hundreds of other affiliates, they would just go to the landing page, right? And I still wouldn't even convert. So I thought I got smart. Well, at least that's what I thought, right? By creating my own landing pages. But when I would send traffic to those landing pages, I would get email subscribers. But when they actually seen the offer, I wasn't even getting enough sales to make a profit on the advertising. I did what most affiliate marketers who started out do. I blamed the traffic source. I even bought more courses. I even tried to follow up via email, but I still didn't really get good results. Because at the end of the day, I was just another affiliate promoting an offer, just like everybody else. When that product went to shit and it didn't come out no more, or it just failed or went belly up, I was out of business, okay? So I'm getting ready to talk to you the importance of creating a brand and a purpose, and then going to find affiliate products that serve the purpose. So what was my purpose? This is the purpose that I think that you should do. Your purpose in business is to solve problems at a profit, right? And then if you're in affiliate marketing, it's to go find affiliate products that help you serve that person, that help you serve your niche. And that's when the attraction came in. People was looking for me, like I was promoting on YouTube, but people was looking for me on my Facebook page. They was actually like commenting on my stuff, reacting, sharing my stuff in their groups. And that's when that money started coming in. And since I was marketing content, right, that provided solutions to a specific targeted audience within a niche, I was able to advertise on big websites, including Facebook, YouTube, and Google. And these marketing and contents had affiliate products sprinkled in there that helped me serve my audience. These prestigious sites and stuff like that started to take me serious as a brand. Now, if you want the same results, you just definitely gotta switch your affiliate marketing game up. You gotta just, change your mind up. And I came up with 5 steps. Step number 1, you wanna find a niche, okay? Step number 2, you wanna make a list of problems and answers that you can solve that your target audience, might have. Okay, so now you've acquired a list of solutions and problems and questions, right? Most of them in the form of questions. You want to go out and find affiliate products that actually gets your target audience from point A to point B. Now, I want to actually give you a strong word of advice for step number 3. Make sure you purchase the affiliate product that you're recommending. Like, don't just sit up here and just be recommending products that you haven't even tried, right? We want you to be ethical ambassadors of anything that you promote. And you want to be able to be sure that it's going to actually work, okay? So, with that being said, let's move on to step number 4, which is you're going to be demonstrating how that product will help the customer or your prospective customer or your audience achieve their result or the answer or the solution, right, to their problem, okay? So this is where you're actually going to create content. I love videos because you can either do on the screen or you can either do, like a screen share, or you can actually do like a video like what I'm doing right now, okay? So you're going to be demonstrating. And then the 5th and final step is you're going to recommend. This is the most important part. If you go through all 4 of these steps and you don't recommend or have a strong recommendation at the end, which is, hey, if you want to get this product, go ahead and click in the link in the description, or go ahead and click the button, or go ahead and proceed to the next page, to the sales page. If you don't say stuff like that, your sales will suffer. Trust me on that one. Some people, even if you put them on a fence, even if you tell them everything, if you don't tell them to buy like with, confidence, they're not going to buy, right? So make sure you have a strong recommendation at the very end, which is step number 5. I'm going to go ahead, take you to this computer behind me, and we're going to do a real live example right now. All right, I'm getting ready to quickly show you how easy it is to do these 5 steps. And remember, the whole key to all of this, for real, is to flip it on its head. Instead of promoting a product or being a person, just another affiliate promoting a product, you're going to operate as a business with a purpose, all right, that is looking for products to solve the market, solve your audience's questions, problems, so on and so forth, okay? So in step number 1, right, which is find a niche. Let's just say you're good at makeup and you want to help women to do their makeup better, right? So your niche is makeup, all right? So in step number 2, you want to make a list of problems and questions your future customers may have in that niche, okay? And you'll see how this all makes sense, okay? So in order to do this, right, you want to head over to Uber Suggest, okay? Type in your niche makeup. Head over to, okay, right here where it says questions, click there, and you get to view all of the questions that are out there on the internet in regards to this. Now, this is totally free. So like, for instance, vegan makeup, makeup cake, who invented makeup, how often to clean the makeup brushes. So as you can kind of see, you're getting ideas that you could actually either A, answer, or you could do some research and answer, okay? So now what you want to do is you want to be able to demonstrate this. And how would you be able to do this? Is you actually have to go and find affiliate products that will help your audience get the solution, okay? So in order to do that, you want to say, all right, you want to type in your niche plus the word affiliate programs, all right? And once you do that, you'll see on Google that there's a lot of different affiliate programs, okay? And you can kind of go through here. Now, in picking a great affiliate program, the number 1 priority you want to have, okay, is make sure that the affiliate program has good products, okay? So that you will be recommending products that are good, okay? Remember, that's number 1. And then the second priority that you're going to have when picking an affiliate program is to make sure that it has a high commission, right? Now, let's just say you got something that's a high commission, but the product sucks. Are you going to promote it? I definitely would not. I would take high product over commissions, because at the end of the day, if you're recommending a product that sucks, then your brand will suffer, okay? Number 4, which is demonstrate using a product to get that solution. So, of course, once you buy the product, and the reason why you want to buy the product, not just only for ethics, but it actually helps you become a pioneer, and it actually helps you be a brand that is a pioneer to showing people how this stuff works, right? You're taking the forefront, and people love that, because guess what? When you buying things on the internet, people are like, they're skeptical, they don't know if it'll work. But if you're demonstrating, right, it's going to be so good. So let's just say, for instance, you want to create content that says, in this example, how to master the wing eyeliner. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your YouTube account, get that stuff up and running, get your nice pages, so on and so forth, and you're going to create a video which shows step by step on how to master the wing eyeliner, right? That can actually be a good title, okay? And with that, you're going to be showing you do this step, you do this step, and by the way, I am using this product, right, I'm using this brush or this eyeliner or whatever you use to do a wing eyeliner, and you're demonstrating with this. And in the video, which is step number 5, you're going to say like, oh, by the way, I am using this brush. If you want to get this brush, go ahead and click the link in the description. I love BH Cosmetics. I bought this, so on and so forth. Now, one thing I want to actually mention to you is, in this example, right, that's actually starting from scratch. But let's just say you already are using, right, you're using something that already, right, where you already have the products. Well, you can easily go to that website, right, where you bought this from, and you can scroll down at the very bottom, and you can say, see where you see affiliate program, okay? So that's one right there. So at the end of this website, I mean, literally everybody have affiliate program, and you can sign up for it. Now, with that being said, let's get back to the video. All right, so you just got shown that real live example. How'd you like it? Tell you what, if you like that real live example, right, and you were following through, hit the like button below. If it's something that you didn't get or something that you really, really liked about it, go ahead and comment below and share it with everybody, right? All right, cool. If you already have a business, right, and you just need some ideas, I got a key little bonus for you. I'm starting a Facebook group. Right now I'm building a website, right, where we can all go in there as a community, more like a private website, just in case like Facebook fall off the face of the freaking earth, right? We're going to start in that Facebook group. That way you can talk to me and everybody else in the community about following those 5 steps and coming up with ideas and finding affiliate products, okay, for your particular business, your particular niche, problem, so on and so forth, okay? So the link to that group is actually in the description. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, it might not be a Facebook group. It might go straight to the web page, all right? So don't be scared to hit that link and you come up on a private group, okay? All right, so let's go to mistake number 2. The second dumbass mistake that I made in affiliate marketing that I seriously freaking regret, and I didn't even know this, right, is not using a tracker to track through my funnels. One day I actually started out, all right, I got my funnel and everything like that, and I actually went on Facebook. This was a time and a period that was really low in my life, okay? I actually got fired from my job, and then I actually started online, and I was selling this product. Bam, goose eggs. I had loved ones telling me that I was a failed businessman, so on and so forth. I had to pay child support and everything, right? And I needed to get this money up. On unemployment, it wasn't looking good. So I finally said to myself, you know what, man, F this. I'm about to go full-fledged. I was picking up the phone, I was promoting on my Facebook page and groups, Craigslist, so on and so forth. And I told everybody on Facebook before I started with this, I was like, I'm about to make $15,000 online. Never had done it before, but I'm gonna make $15,000 online in 3 months. Why did I pick that goal? It's because there was somebody, the top seller that was selling that affiliate product, was making like $4,500 a month. So I'm like, well, shoot, I can make $5,000 just to beat her. So when I put that out there on Facebook, it was like crazy. So what I did was I really freaking like hit the pavement, hit the road, start promoting everywhere. And guess what? In 45 days, I made over $14,000 selling one product, right? Bam. So you would think it's success, right? You would think it's something that I, could like repeat over and over and over again. Well, guess what? The next month, I was so drained. I was so drained because I was talking on the phone for hours, so on and so forth. And so I was like, man, I cannot do this, right? I cannot keep promoting this day in and day out, right? Especially when I get a job. I can't do this. So guess what? The next month, I didn't make any money. You know why? Because I didn't even know where my sales was coming from. I didn't even know. Even when I used a free tracker, even when I use Google Analytics, because Google Analytics don't report stuff. They give you like, the thing with Google Analytics and using that to track conversions and tracking to see where your sales is coming from is that, for one, they sample some of your visitors that's on Google Analytics, or what you call a sample audience, meaning they send a bot to your page to make sure it's working and compliant. So that messes up your scores. That messes up your metrics. And then the second thing about Google Analytics is the reporting is 24 hours, and plus you can't even track engagement per each level of the funnel. And the same thing with Bitly, just about. So I didn't even know what was working, what traffic source was converting, so that I can pour all of my information and all of my resources, my time and my money into the traffic sources that was working. So I had to start all over from scratch, and guess what? I ended up not selling that product anymore, right? It just wasn't for me. So now you're actually moving in step number 1 with a brand and purpose in a way that major websites love, so you're expanding your reach and you're selling a heck of a lot better. And in step number 2, you are actually scaling, right, in a predictable fashion by focusing all of your time and effort on traffic sources that is going to get you the best results by using a link tracker. So now in the third and final step is when you start going into paid advertisement, and that was the dumb mistake that I did not do, which was place a tracking link on my landing page. Now, for those of you all, this might be a little bit advanced. Some of you all have heard of tracking links, but in this one, I did not track, and I was wasting visitors. I put a tracking pixel on each of my landing pages. Now, this is especially key when you first starting out, because when you actually are getting into the mood of building your audience, so on and so forth, when I got my retargeting pixel on my landing page, I can actually send my next video series, like on my YouTube channel, right, to these people, or retarget them on Facebook and say, hey, this is another episode, so on and so forth. See, now they're getting to know me. See, when they first land on my page, they didn't resonate with that message, right? So I can be able to retarget them with, right, another variation of that landing page, but I also can start sending them new content to letting them know that I am the expert, so on and so forth, and you want to do the same. You don't want to waste a visitor. Every person that lands on your landing page, given that you targeted your visitors right, should not be wasted. So that's all I got for you in this video. Comment below, what dumbass mistake did you make when you did affiliate marketing or in business, right? Share it. I already done embarrassed myself today enough for you all, and I want you to go ahead and make sure you join that Facebook group. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if it was some of value, and share it with a colleague. Until then, peace.